Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and this is my first video of 2018, so Happy New Year to everyone. Hope you had a good Christmas and a nice Hogmanay New Year. And so what have I been up to? I have been painting the cylinder heads of the VFR800 engine with engine enamel. I have gave them a single coat just before the new year, and I've just given them another coat just now, and I've just removed the masking tape so that we can have a look at them. So let's do that now. Right, so this is the front cylinder head. Originally it was just bare aluminium, as you can see. I've painted it black. It's had two coats and it's looking pretty good. All these top bits and the underneath and everything are masked off. These bits are already masked with these bits, kind of. The unions have also been painted. I've not painted that sensor, whatever that is. I think it's a temperature sensor or something. I've not painted where the hose goes onto the union just there, for obvious reasons, because I reckon if I've got paint around it, when I put the hose on, the hose would probably never come off again, because paint kind of works like a glue in that situation. Kind of the same with these really. I have actually got a bit of paint on them, but not enough to really cause a problem, I don't think. This is where the carburetor rubbers go on, or the throttle body rubbers, so they've not been painted. Apart from that, it's been painted kind of all the way around really. Not painted in the bolt holes obviously, because again I don't want it to act like a glue, because if it did, it might never kind of get the bolts out again. Those are the exhaust ports there. These will probably be getting removed and replaced, so they don't really matter, the exhaust studs. So as you can see, it looks quite smart compared to how it looked before. Whenever I'm working on an engine, like the CBR900 that I did last year, I always like to put a bit of engine enamel on it just to kind of freshen it up, because I think that old bare aluminium tends to look a bit scabby, you know. So that's basically it. It's had a good coat of paint. This one's still quite wet, I think, so I can't really touch it. Have to be careful not to touch it, but as you can see, it looks pretty smart. There are little odd bits, some odd bits that I've missed, like around the edge of there, but to be honest that doesn't really matter because the exhaust is going to go onto it anyway, so you're not really going to see that. So I think once it's in the bike, it should look pretty smart really. I'm going to be painting the crankcases as well, but I'm going to do the crankcases in silver, so it's going to have black cylinder heads and silver crankcases, which is going to give a nice kind of contrast and make the whole thing kind of pop a bit visually. And then these engine cases I'll do in whatever, I don't know, bronze or gold or something like that. So that's pretty much it. Alright, thanks for watching and see you later.